Hi and welcome to the walk around video of the BMW 435D Msport GRAN COUPE here at your next car. So of course we're going to begin with a walk around the exterior whilst I talk you through some of the features and options. Then I'm going to make my way around. I'll go ahead, take a seat inside the car. Well, once we're there we will go through some of the interior features. The exterior of the car is presented in the very nice Alpine white, and as you can see we of course finished the exterior off with a full your next car MPerformance body styling kit, which is all fitted in-house. As well as being a 2018 plate facelift vehicle, the vehicle does come with the BMW Msport Pluspack. Included in that is the Msport Plus brakes, front and rear, privacy glass, Harman Kardon and heated Dakota leather seats, all of which we'll take a close-up look at as we go around the vehicle. The alloy wheels on the vehicle are the very nice 19-inch 704M Shadow Edition alloy wheels, and they are finished in the original Bi-Orbit grey and are in fabulous condition all the way around the car. Sitting behind those alloy wheels are the MBrakes, which I've already mentioned. We also have the mixed premium run flat tyres, and at the front are those very nice facelifted LED projector and LED angel eye headlamps, which I've already mentioned. You'll also see the gloss black air breathers. We've got the satin side vinyls, sidebars and MPerformance decals, and you'll also be able to see the privacy glass, which once again is part of that lovely Msport Plus pack. Going ahead now to take a quick glance at the interior, which on this Alpine white vehicle is the very nice black Dakota leather, which in the front we not only have the heated seat function, we've also got electric function for passenger side and memory for the driver's side. Now I'll give you a close-up glance at the Harman Kardon Logic 7 surround sound hi-fi system. We've also got the brushed aluminium and high gloss black interior trims. And we'll go ahead and take a quick glance at the rear seats. You get an Isofix rear bench, centerfold armrest and a very nice black headlining all on this interior of this car, which once again matches the exterior for being very neat and tidy. Moving on to the very rear of the car, satin rear diffuser, high gloss back rear tailgate spoiler, and of course those very nice facelifted rear lights. Once again, being a 435D, you do get that superb X-Drive four-wheel drive system as standard, and of course GRAN COUPEs all come with the automatic opening and closing tailgate as standard, which reveals the extremely large boot space, which of course can be further made larger owing to the fact we do have that very nice split folding seat function. Closing that down now, I will of course make my way towards going to take a seat in the car, stopping of course first to take in just how well these two colours do work together, and we'll take one last close-up look at the 19-inch 704M alloy wheels and MBrake package before we head on inside the vehicle to discuss further all of the interior trims and options. First thing that greets you very promptly inside when you step inside the car is the professional wide navigation and media screen, which comes equipped with DAB and a wide array of other multimedia functions. We've also got Bluetooth for Bluetooth telephone and audio, and of course satellite navigation. This vehicle also comes equipped with the Connected Drive Plus. Connected Drive Plus gives us access to the news, weather and online search function, which is all powered by Google. Dual climate control, and this is also where you'll find the switches for the heated seats, both for passengers and drivers, which I've already mentioned. Onto the multi-function Msport steering wheel, where you'll find the flappy paddles for the tremendous 8-speed sports gearbox, cruise control, speed limiter function, voice and volume controls. The vehicle itself has covered just over 33,000 miles, as you can see there now, and is a very clean and tidy vehicle, as you would expect for the age and the mileage, and of course does come with some lovely features. High beam assist as well, which will toggle the low to high beam for you. Okay, so that will finish off our walk around video for the very nice Alpine white 435D Msport GRAN COUPE. As always, I do hope you found this walk around video useful. Down below in the description will be a link to this vehicle on our website. Should you have any further questions, please do drop them in the comments below, where I'll be happy to answer them. And of course you can find all of the pricing and finance options on this vehicle and all of our other wonderful cars on our website or Auto Trader page. Thank you very much for watching. Do of course take care, and we hope to see you soon. Thank you, take care, goodbye.